fell, so we're just gonna... But hi everyone! How's everyone doing? We are gonna cook some chicken nuggets today. These little girls are gonna help us make the flour, aren't you? Yeah! And then Ryan is gonna be using the flour and making the chicken nuggets. And I'm, I guess, gonna supervise and help you guys out, right? So this video is us sharing with you guys a low carb, keto friendly recipe that kids will actually enjoy, right? Because who doesn't love chicken nuggets? Do you love chicken nuggets? Yeah. Yeah. So basically throughout this entire event, we're gonna be just doing this as a family kind of cooking, and it's just to show that kids can be involved. They can do this. They can cook with you, and they can actually. What I have found when they actually cook with you and do stuff with you together, they are more likely to eat it. Okay, so that's how we got this little picky eater over here. Yes, you. To eat. Oh no, you. To eat most of the low carb friendly meals is literally having her in the kitchen helping us cook, and well, other little things too that we'll cover throughout this entire event. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna start getting ready. Okay, so we're gonna tell them what we have so far. Okay, right? So we have coconut flour here, and we're gonna add some spices to it, and then we're gonna kind of like mix it together, and then we're gonna whip an egg together, aren't we? And what we're going to do is make the breading for the chicken nuggets, okay? With a spoon, okay? So, you. Okay, so, all right. We're going to add our spices. So we've picked garlic powder, paprika, we've, pepper, salt. These are the spices we're gonna use? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Is this going into the mixer too? And Parmesan cheese. With a little bit of coconut. He got all this ready while I was busy uploading that YouTube video. So, this is what we're doing. You're gonna make it, right? Yeah, I'm gonna make it. She's gonna make it, okay? So, you. We're going to start by adding the garlic powder, okay? So mommy's going to get on the spoon, and then you can put it in the bowl, okay? Yeah, that stuff right there, okay? And then Evelyn's going to add the salt, okay? So I'm going to get it on the spoon, okay? Maybe I'm going to get it on the spoon. Feel free to say hi and join in, okay? Here we go. Here's a spoon. You're just going to dump it into the bowl, honey. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now you're going to hold on to that spoon, okay? While your sister does the salt. So this is pink Himalayan salt. We use this because if you're low carb or keto, you kind of need electrolytes, right? Because your body goes through them a lot. And this is just jam-packed filled with electrolyte, okay? So you're going to go like this, and you're going to twist it like that. You think you can do that, Evelyn? Mm-hmm. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, Adeline is... How old are you?
5.
How old are you?
Yep. 4.
That many. She is 2, okay? And she's helping out in the kitchen. And Evelyn just said her age. She is 4. And, so you can start young and get them in the kitchen and cooking. Good job. Good job. Oh, such a good job. Yeah. Okay. And now we're going to add the paprika, okay? All right. Where's the spoon? Okay. So here's your little spoon. And you're going to dump it into the bowl. Good job, okay? All right. And then we're going to take our black pepper and get it open. You're going to take a pinch. So grab some. Yeah, and then you're going to smuck out in the bowl. Good job. Good job. Okay? Now, we're going to give this over here to Daddy. You girls did amazing. Okay, and he is going to mix it. There you go. See? See? Awesome. And then we're going to add some. There's coconut we're going to add to it, and there's also Parmesan cheese that we're also going to add to the bread. Okay? Can you share how much? So there we go. We got some coconut now and some Parmesan cheese. Just got to break down the Parmesan cheese. Ah! Don't lean too far. It's Mommy's turn to add stuff, okay? Boom! Now Daddy's going to mix it all together. Awesome. Now we are just going to move some of this stuff here all around. As you can see, we're somewhat organized, but you know, we're a family, so it's chaotic. Okay. We're gonna have this here. The egg.
Right.
No. Daddy's gonna do that, okay? Alright, and then we're gonna get Evelyn, move over for your sister. The chicken.
Other way.
So this is chicken breast that we chopped up, just like that, okay? And you're just gonna, we're gonna move it like this so y'all can see the counter, what he's gonna do, okay? So he's right now just cracking the egg, whipping it up. We have this tray down. You can actually fry them up once you've like gotten the bread and everything all on it. What do you need? What?
Milk.
So he's adding coconut milk to the egg. Okay, he's gonna whip it all up. You're just playing with the flour that's on the counter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake it. Okay, because well, for today's schedule, this is just easier to do. But you can fry it up. When you bake it in the oven, it's at 350 for 25 minutes, or until it gets nice golden brown and cooked through the middle. Okay, so all stoves are different, but 25 minutes to half hour for ours. And what he's doing right now is he's dipping it into the egg and milk, and he's rolling it around in the flour. And then he's just going to lay it down on the parchment paper. And then boom, we're going to put it in the oven for... You're going to put it in the oven? For 25 to 30 minutes. And then boom, we got chicken nuggets. Or you can fry it up. So as soon as you're done putting the flour on, in a frying pan, you put olive oil in there. And then you can start frying them up and get them nice and crispy. But you can do it either way, cooking them either way. This way it's like little chicken tenders in the... You're okay, Evelyn. It's okay. In the oven, right? And we're going to make probably some zucchini Parmesan chips. So we're just going to have some zucchini cut in dimes with some Parmesan cheese on it. Stick it in the oven and have that with this, because that's a quick and easy thing to make. And since it's all like together Parmesan. So that is basically what we do. That's how you do it. And this is how we do our meals here. We cook as a family here. We get everything all going. Ryan normally does a lot of the stuff with the meat because I do not like touching raw meat. That's just me. That's just the thing I got. So he's always in here when it comes to the meat and helping us that way.
Mommy,
we are cooking. We gotta get all the chicken with the flour first. And through the processes, oh, bless you. We always try to get them helping in some sort of way, and then actually watching how it's done if it's a part where they can't do like this part. And that's how they get that's the easiest way that I've gotten this picky eater to try things, really, right? So while he's doing this, and we're not going to keep you too long on this video, what I'm going to do is we'll turn the video off, we'll finish this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to post what they look like tonight, okay? So once they come out of the oven, and I'll also post the amounts of, the amounts of everything that we use, how many chicken breasts, how many eggs, how much milk, all that stuff. It's going to be like the written recipe later on tonight, and you can see the end result of it, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, or if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments, and we'll get them answered, won't we? So you girls want to say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.